Staying cool. Oh goodness gracious me. You have to try to put this on silent. Are we winning? We're winning! Mark K, hi, how are you doing? How's it going? How was your weekend? Maybe that's the best question to ask. How was your weekend? What did you end up doing? Hell yeah, you're the first. Hey Dominique, how are you? Yeah, I think most important question really is, how was everyone's weekend? And do we think anything's actually going to happen today, because it is indeed a holiday? Yeah. Hey, Kofu Trading. I hope I said that right. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Are we all ready? Well, again, do we think anything decent is going to be coming out of this, or not really because of the holiday? Ooh. Whoop, whoop. Oh my gosh, Marquet, that is amazing. Well done on so many things. So well done for getting hired for the security company. That is awesome. I can imagine you are over the moon. That is so freaking cool. Well done. Okay. Blowing the account. Wop wop, you know, it happens, right? It happens. But the fact that you made that amount on your other two is hectic. I've heard gold has just been off the charts. Isn't it at an all-time high and still just climbing? I hear that. I got a dog and a horse, and horses are not cheap. So here we are. We're gonna do this, right? One step at a time. That's all I have to keep reminding myself. Just one step at a time. It's fine. It's fine. But then do you work weekends, or does it keep changing? How does it work, Mark? Hey, Pum Pum, how's it going? Are we all ready and excited for this week? Like I said, let's see what today brings. No, I only just popped on now. Kisan. I hope I said that right. Hey, how you doing? How's everyone doing? Which mood? Oh, this pump. Yeah, that's This is a little bit more than I expected, especially because there's a holiday today. So I know, what time does it close? I know New York session closes early today. What time did it say? Closes, whoosh. Boom Banana, how you doing? Hello, hello. Oh, damn. Aw, sorry, Marquet. Well, I mean, I guess you gotta take the good with the bad, right? There we go. Thank you. Yes, it was. It was 1 p.m. EST. Well, for me, that's 7 p.m. Only okay, Boom Banana, what's up? What's up? What happened? How was your weekend? What's going on? I don't want to butcher this, but Ariane? How's it going? Yeah, it is literally the exact time is 9:02 in the morning for me in South Africa. But like, why only okay? You have to make every day amazing. I know that sounds very mean, but that's why, as you can see, I'm actually wearing a jersey today because it is cold. It is very cold today, which is weird for the coast, but here we are and we're gonna make the best of it. Yeah, are we not living in a fairy tale, Boom Banana? I mean, obviously not, else I might be the evil person, but still. Because I am many, many things, but the princess ain't one of them. Yeah, no, we do not have our own stock market, so yes, we trade the London, New York, and yeah, obviously some people would be trading the Asia as well. Wow. Boom Banana woke up with sass today. Okay. Mr. Sassy Pants. That's fine. Hey Furtis, how you doing? I'm good, I can't complain. I'm nice and toasty in my jersey. I'm ready for this day. I'm curious to see if there's gonna be any moves. Let's maybe check the higher time frames quickly. See if there is a little bit of a proper trend going on at the moment, or... Okay, let's wait for confirmation to see if this is a break of structure or just a hectic retest. Well, on the 1 hour, it is still bearish. So let us wait and see. Let me just wait for a confirmation before I do anything I will regret, right? Let's not have any regret today. Today is gonna be a good day. I mean, the fact that it's cool is just awesome. Kofu Trading, why did I choose South Africa? I mean, I was born here. Been here my whole life, but yeah, I wouldn't call it a choice. I guess everything's a choice, but I've just never had the want to move. Travel, yes, but move, nah. Not yet anyways, maybe in the future. Boom Banana, just go sells. You think it's just gonna be a bearish day today? Do you have any famous South African companies we can invest / trade? I mean, that's a good question. I guess some of the hectic farming companies, well, I don't want to say farming companies, but there's some decent things down here. There's actually quite a bit of money in South Africa if you know where to look. But I don't actually know the answer to that. Any famous ones? No. Joan, how are you doing? How was your weekend? Yeah, that would have been a no-no. So on my dad's side, so I'm half Portuguese. So dad's side, he's Portuguese. Mother's side, I think, well, if we had to go back, I'm pretty sure we are not always from here. But with regards to my grandparents, and I think my great-grandparents on my mother's side, I am South African. Yeah. But father's side, Portuguese. Aw, that is awesome. How am I? I'm good today. I'm excited to get this week started. I think it's gonna be fun. Well, I hope so. Some hectic resistance going on here. Let's see if it breaks out of it and in which direction it's gonna break out of it. But anyways, how was my weekend? Yeah, it was okay. Went and like saw family. Then yesterday did absolutely nothing. I lie, I went for a run, but that was only because I ate so much that I had to go for a run. Hey Shark VR. That's a very apt name, I love it. How are you doing? Are you ready for today? Also, what do you trade and how long have you been trading? Same goes for you, Kisan. How long have you been trading? And what do you trade? Are you NQ person? I feel like there's a lot going on around me today. I don't know why, but it's fine. I went for a walk on the beach. Give me a second. And I found the prettiest. There we go. I say prettiest. No, it is pretty. It's really pretty. To be fair, I think all shells are pretty. It's just so sweet. Kind of looks like candy, but it is a shell. Believe it or not. I don't know if you can see it. Nope, that just looks completely white. It's actually pink. That was very... Imagine strawberry ice cream. It kind of looks like that. Okay, cool. So I do M and Q. That's what I have been trading, especially because I'm still pretty new at trading. So it's a very nice place to start off and not blow all your capital in like 2 trades. Well, in my experience anyways. Yeah, listen, Joan, I have a random collection of shells literally in front of me. Here's one. Here's another one. 3. And obviously the new, I'm just gonna call it a strawberry shortcake one today. Literally every time I go I find another one. I'm like, oh, this is pretty, and I bring it home with me. I'm like a little shell gremlin, but it's fine. This poor house is gonna be just covered in random shells, but that's fine. What do I think about the chart right now? Not great. Not great. Very choppy. Let's double check this. I mean, this candle's only 7 points. The volume's not great. Let's see if we get anything. I did say on Friday Yes, I did say on Friday because obviously I knew the holiday was coming up. I did say, you know, if it's a choppy day and we just end up not getting any trades in, then it is what it is. Right? Rather not trade than trade risky stuff. Stick to your plan and your discipline at the end of the day. But maybe if it starts to break out of this, there might be a setup. Let's see. I mean, yeah, unfortunately this setup here would have tagged me out before melting, so that one wouldn't have worked. And now I'm just waiting to see if a proper market struck. Well, there's still market structure if you look at the 1 hour and the higher time frames, but right now in the 1 minutes, I'm trading the 1 minute. I want to see if a proper market structure forms now, or if we're just kind of going with it. Oh, Dead Wolf, how are you doing? Thanks, Jared. Listen, not so much a rock. Well, if you guys want to see like my super nerdy stuff, I unpacked all my dice yesterday. Oh, well done, Boom Banana. Did you get in on the short here? Whoop whoop. Well done. I was thinking of you when I saw it going down. I was going, Boom Banana did say sell. Boom Banana was correct. Oh, that is so cool, Dead Wolf. What do you do with it now? Or are you not doing anything with it? Sorry if that was a rude, blunt, personal question. Yeah, apologies. You don't have to answer. I just find that so interesting. I loved. So I took, yeah, I took geology in high school. Was one of my favorite. That and biology were my favorite subjects. Boom Banana, I know. I should just never ever doubt you, right? Oh, awesome. Okay, cool. Boom Banana, Kisan's coming here with the proper questions. I'm gonna leave the setup here. It's for me, I feel it's still a bit too choppy. It hasn't really broken out of this range at all since, well, 8:50 my time. Oh, nice. Aw, no, Joan, that sucks. I'm sorry. Well, I mean, I guess you can experience things through here. Kisan, if there's one thing I can tell you, Boom Banana is confident. Okay, yeah, exactly. You do not question Boom Banana. You just go, okay. Whoop, and this is why I did not want to place a trade. Let's see now that I just said that, watch it just and then melt down. I don't know, the momentum up is still, no, see. Hey Kiwi Steve, how you doing? Welcome, welcome, how was your weekend? Ooh, Dead Wolf, I remember, yeah, you're on vacation. That is awesome. Well, I think, are you just chilling at home? What's your plan? Poop, guys. Check out this. Yeah, okay. So basically forward test everything, right, Joan? Just when in doubt, keep forward testing. Like this. That was frustrating, but you guys know that I have my rules of do not trade when it's choppy. It's just, it's a bit unpredictable, right? And rather risk management. See? See? It's absorbing. Slowly, but it's absorbing. Sorry. Decided to give me a heart attack. Yeah, okay, that makes sense, Boom Banana. So wants to fill this gap. Oh, nice, Kiwi Steve. Did you do anything cool, or... I don't know. Do anything cool? Chill? Bit of both? Oh, that's interesting, Kisan. I mean, it's a good point. I mean, it's really slow right now. Well, I say that, these two candles were decent. 12 points. This one, 17 points. Not terrible. Oh, cool. Kofu, well, for me, number one, it needs to break out of the range in higher time frames. So if we have a look at 5 minutes, do we see it's just stayed? There has been no movement. It's just staying in a straight line. So higher time frames, it needs to at least be out of this. It needs to at least have some movement and market structure. Boom Banana, what are you humming? You make me nervous when you honestly. Cool, so this one would have been a break-even trade. No, that's true. He's 100%. I wasn't expecting to see this either when I came on now, but here we are. And then Kofu trading, basically I do ranged trades. So top of the range, bottom of the range. Here's a good example. Top of the range to bottom of the range. Oh, I say good example, it would have actually just tagged me out. That would have been very annoying. Damn. Oh well. It gives you an idea that sometimes you just get ticked out and it is what it is. But 50% is entry, 30% of the 50% is stop loss, and then 2R down is TP. That would have sucked. I would have been so grumpy. So to be fair, on days like today, potentially break even isn't a great idea because of the very low movement. So, who was it? Someone's mentioned gold again today. No. Sorry, guys, I'm skipping past, but I've heard that gold is just absolutely mental right now, which is awesome. Awesome for people trading gold. I'm sure you guys are super, well, unless you were selling, in which case, not so chuffed, but anyways. No, I don't just watch the 5 minute, I watch the 15 and the 1 hour as well. And on this side, I do have ES open because ES tends to drive NQ, so it gives me a decent idea of... It just helps with indicators and indications of what might happen next. Joan, are you forward testing on the gold still today? That makes sense. Yeah, they went go nuts. They just said, let's go for it. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh. I don't even think Slow can describe this market right now. Okay, well, I mean, that one probably would have been a break even. So then if we go to this one... Let's have a look, see if it goes down. Hey, Rash. Mom? Mom? Did I read that right? Mom. Cool, cool, cool. 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 Yes, I know. The market is closed, that's why it's so... bleh today. So I wasn't expecting to put a trade in, so which answers the next question, Rash. I'm not in a trade. Yep. I'm not in one right now. I'm just forward testing. I don't want to be in a trade while it's being choppy, so let's see if it does get out of a chop. If it doesn't, then it just... yeah, it is what it is. I didn't expect to actually get trades in today because of the holiday going on. Exactly. Heesan, so I'm here for both London Open and New York Open. So, yeah. Well, I guess I'm 30 minutes early for the London Open, right? Because London Open, my time, is 9:30. But yeah, so I'm London and New York. I stream twice a day. That's my thing. John, you're interested in NQ today? I'm not looking at anything else. Maybe else, but I don't know. Ah, okay. Yeah, listen, knock. Number one, I'm going back to that mom question. Did you call me mom? We're gonna have to have a little talk. And this is why I do not trade when it's choppy. It's just unpredictable. And not worth it. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know how to feel about that. Is it a compliment? Might be a compliment. I don't know. Boomerang, are you putting in another trade today, or... Aw, thanks for the sub! Thanks, guys! Oh, so is that what we're waiting for? We're waiting for the coffee to kick in and people to be like, oh, I'm awake now, let's go for it. Oh. The wind, oh my gosh, did you see I nearly had a heart attack? The wind just slammed my door shut. Oh well, at least I know that if I get, I don't know, taken, I don't want to say bad things here. PG-13, I might get cancelled if I start. That you guys are here as witnesses. just curious, Boom Banana, about, yeah, if you're gonna place another one, what you think that the market's gonna do. Because I mean, you have been pretty spot on. Not 100% of the time, but a lot. So, you know, got a value. There we go, sorry. Wow. Blue Collar Dollars. That's a very fun name to say. I'm trading, yes, I'm trading NQ. Well, MNQ if you want to be a bit more specific, but NQ. Yeah, exactly. 85%. It's very good. Is this the push? Are we gonna get out of this range? Or are we just chilling in it? Hey, Logan Shepherd. You think it's a buy time? Hey. I don't know if you saw that. My dog just came to say hi. I think the door slamming scared him more than me. Good boy. Also, hey Logan, how you doing? Well, how far up do you think it's gonna go? Okay. Well, let's go. Let's see what happens now. Technically, it's nearly London Open now, only. Anyone sell that for knock? Blue Collar Dollars? Yes, I do. I trade both London and New York. Blue Collar Dollars, where are you from? How long have you been trading for? What's your story? Okay, here's the push. Let's see, I don't know if it'll come back down. Just take that liquidity. I don't think it's gonna come this far down. But if it does, can't say that I wasn't set up, right? Let's mitigate risk a little bit today. So it kind of looks like it's just gonna sit on VWAP a bit. But I did it anyways. Oh, that's so cool, Blue Collar Dollars. Well, welcome to TMT. We have fun here, I think. You might have to ask the group. I think we have fun here. Oh, awesome. And how are you finding futures? Dead Wolf, how was my weekend and did I do anything cool? The answer is... wait. I just saw that. I don't want it to just miss me by a flipping tick again. I mean, I saw family, which I guess is cool. Yeah, otherwise I just went to the beach. It was really nice and warm yesterday. So I went for a run to the beach, swam in the beach, or swam in the ocean, not the beach. Can't swim in the beach. and then ran home, and then I ate way too much. But that's about it. How about you, Deadwolf? Anything cool? Or just absolutely chilling because you can now that you are on holiday? Ooh, okay. Let's see, Joan. I'm curious. Blue collar dollars. The psychology stuff is yeah, something else. Is it L dollar futures or LS futures? I'm going with LS futures. Yes, it is. I know there's a bank holiday today, that's why it's so choppy and not a lot of volume. And to be fair, I didn't think I would actually be putting a trade in today. That's why I've kind of mitigated my risk nearly by half, because let's see. Yeah, sounds about right. So blue collar dollars mainly trade price action and structure. So I mainly trade structure. So same but different. And I guess in a way, price action, if it's choppy, I don't like to trade. So it sounds like we have similar trading, I don't want to say styles, but it's similar. Like I said, my main difficulty and my main focus recently has been the mindset and the psychology, and oh my gosh, like how do I put this? When I just started trading, everyone said the psychology behind it, you know, everyone made a very big deal. Boom banana, it's coming down. How far down do you think it's coming? Is it just a retracement, or do you think it's coming down properly? Oh. Maybe not proper. Ooh. It is hitting resistance there though. Oh, it's the VWAP on ES. Tapping into VWAP. Deadwolf, just cleaning your apartment and visiting parents. Oh, yeah. I mean, I did washing. Did I fold the washing? Not really. But I did the washing. One thing out of 0 is better than nothing, right? Yeah, so I visited my gran. Unfortunately, I can't visit my parents. They're all the way in Uruguay. It's a little bit far and a little bit expensive. Like, stupidly expensive to go to Uruguay from South Africa. Oh my gosh. It kind of does look like it's coming down, hey. Thoughts, guys? What do we think's gonna happen now? Am I on X? No, I'm not. Not yet. Is it worth being on it? I know that's a very weird question. Hello, relaxation with Neenda. Apologies if I butchered that. Adarbek, am I rich? No. Do I look rich? If I do, thank you. I think. I'm not sure. Money go bye-bye. Hi, how you doing? No liquidity, there'll be no, there will not be. Hey, LP. Hello. Oh, okay. Yeah, again, it's chip choppy. But see, Alice, if you're super emotional when trading, you're most likely trading with too much money. You shouldn't be excited when winning and not sad when losing. I agree and disagree. I don't know how to explain this one. What's dumb? Boom banana? Yeah, listen, blue collar trades, there's a lot of gurus and they're very intimidating. That's kind of why I started this, because I remember I was watching some and I just felt absolutely pathetic. Pathetic being, yeah, absolutely pathetic. You feel numb? Great statement to be making. You shouldn't be feeling numb. MS Holding? You're the trader king. Really? Huh. Oh, this one could cause arguments. This topic right here could cause quite a bit of arguments, because I hear what you're saying. Trust me, I do. I hear exactly what you're saying. However, yeah. If you're happy when you're up money, get greedy, and greedy is not good in trading. No, but that's why you then have rules, and it comes down to discipline, right? If you're trading with a specific set of rules, and it doesn't matter if you win or lose, but you still get happy about it. So you're not trading using your emotions, but you still can feel things. What makes you the king, MS Holding? Thanks, Boom Banana. No, this is where it gets very controversial. I do understand that, and everyone has very strong opinions when it comes to trading and emotions, but I do think there's a difference. Deadwolf, you always blame others when you take a loss. Interesting. Who do you blame? So maybe when it hits TP, but not when you're in the trade. I agree with that one, because then it means you're not trusting your strategy, in which case you should maybe go and have a look back at your strategy. Yeah, no. You think 484? Oh, right by that liquidity. Interesting, Joan. EJ's ecom. If I'm wrong, there's no right. I mean, that was pretty philosophical, yes. Ahmed, where am I from? I am from South Africa. Where are you from? Money go bye-bye, blame the evil market makers. You're right. It's never us. It is always the market. 100%. Mark, this is 1 minute. Hence all the noise going on. Ooh, interesting, Joan. Okay, let's see. Let's see if you're right. I'm gonna be super curious. Do you think, however, it's gonna actually tag me in? Potentially not. Potentially not, but I'm gonna keep the trade up. Oh no, 100%. That I completely agree with, LS Futures. 100%. You shouldn't let your emotions control the trade, but that's why I specifically have, like, rules. Yes. Don't get me wrong, I am still working on my emotions. Yeah, please don't get me wrong. It's part of the psychological, no go. Part of the psychological part of it. I am still working on it. I'm not gonna say I got them 100% under control. But I do agree you shouldn't let your emotions control your trade. But again, that's why I have my rules. And if I stick to them, well, I do. Discipline, right? Discipline. I stick to them. Right, Deadwolf? I love it. I agree with you. Money Go Bye Bye is the best name. It is so cool. Oh, of course I can. Good luck. I believe you can get 8. Love from South Africa. I hope, yeah. Massive good luck. You're gonna have to come back and tell me how it went. Money Go Bye Bye. Let's. Yeah, it's 100% possible. You've got this. It's gonna be good. I do. Joan, like I said, I'm gonna leave it here. It's my strategy. If it doesn't come tag me in, it doesn't come tag me in. It is what it is. I did say earlier, I do not expect to actually get any trades in today because of the holiday. So if I do, cool. If not, it's not the end of the world, right? There's still the rest of the week. It's only Monday. And I think tomorrow will then be crazy, but who knows? Exactly. Just respect the rules. Do the markets ever respect my rules? Not always, but you know. I look like I'm from a Europe country. Really? Which one? Anyone in particular? Like I said, I am half Portuguese, so maybe it's that. Do I look Portuguese? Is it the thick hair? Because I have a lot of hair. I have way too much hair. It's ridiculous. Aw, I look like I'm from Italy. That is a compliment. Italian women are beautiful. See, like now, we technically go here, which means this goes up a little bit. This moves up a little bit. And this moves up a little bit. It is heading towards 484, Joan. It's going. Money Go Bye Bye. I look South African. So here's a Am I really from South Africa? Yeah. I don't know how to prove it. Must I speak Afrikaans? I can't speak it well, but I can speak a little bit of Afrikaans. Okay, Money Go Bye Bye. Now I'm gonna put you on the spot. What do South Africans look like? Don't say me. I saw Portugal. Sorry, I do not understand Portuguese. Wait, did you oh, never mind, Joan. I thought you took a trade. I was like, did you take a trade? No, you didn't, sorry. EJ's Ecom, do I offer training courses? No, well, I mean, not yet. I guess if you want to learn, come watch live and ask questions and see what everyone on the chat says. Because this is so far been the best way for me to learn and figure things out. Believe me, there's a lot that pops up that I kind of go, what? I didn't even know was a thing until you guys brought it up. A mix of Dutch and British. Interesting. Except for, I guess you can't really tell. Never mind. I was gonna say, I'm actually, believe it or not, I am tanned. Not, I can get really nice and tanned. I have not been tanning, so I guess I do look like a little bit of a pale snowflake right now, but that's okay. I know, Judd. I was like, what do you mean? Wait. What, Boomerang, you learning what not to do from me, right? No, probably not. But, you know, I'm here for the chats. I'm here to see. I'm here to learn. I'm here to make friends. Yeah? I don't know. I just find it really fun chatting to you guys. I get so excited. And I learn so much, and it's awesome. Aww. Relaxation. I have a Portuguese fest. Yeah, yes. I can tell you that one for free. I've seen all of the relatives in Portugal, and I go, yep, I am related. 100%. Oh, that's so interesting. Yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to think. We'll get back to that. Duncan, hello from South Africa. Well, hello back from South Africa. How are you doing? Where in South Africa are you at, Duncan? Money go bye-bye. Are you saying yours did, or are you asking if mine did? I really want to. I really want to. So my parents started teaching my sister, and she is shocking with language. Gave up and then didn't bother teaching me, which I thought was very rude. But whatever. So I know one thing. I know obrigada. And obviously like of all what I call my grandparents. Mark, are futures the only instruments I trade? Yes, currently they are. I've been looking and considering gold, especially because apparently it's going through. I mean, that's not a reason to start trading things just because they're going through the roof, but I've heard it can be quite fun to trade gold, so I'm thinking about that. Ah, no. Sitting at your office in Santon, that's, I guess if you enjoy your job, having a corporate job is fine and fun, right? Sometimes, I think. To be fair, I've never had one. The thought of, I don't know, sitting at a desk the whole day. I know right now I'm sitting at a desk, but I'm having so much fun, so fine. And it's not the whole day. You guys know in the middle of the day, my break is I go ride my horse and I get some outside time and it's fine. Ahmed. Neither. I'm futures. Duncan, I'm still a baby. You can ask Joan. He calls me baby trader. So I've only been trading since April. I am very new. I am still baby. Still learning. Hey, Presidian. Oh, Joan, interesting. So you have to wait for the low prices. I'm assuming to then get in at a discount rate, right? and then it's pretty fun. Yeah, I am Boom Banana. You know better than anyone. Micro and macro, the difference would be the amount. That, if I'm not mistaken, oh shoot, you asking me the proper questions now. I must go double check. But it basically, the difference is the amount of money that gets put into a trade per contract. I also don't know how to say your name. FXLYP. No, I'm not even gonna try to say that out loud because I can see already that a bad word is gonna come out, so I'm not gonna do it. So Duncan, I kind of use, so I mean, it's like my own little strategy, I guess. My friend helped me come up with it. It kind of incorporates a little bit of ICT and SMT, so, you know, incorporates a little bit of fair value gaps, order blocks, retracements, obviously liquidity and market structure. That sounds like a lot, but I guess in the long run it's not that much. I've come to realize that people look at a lot all the time, but at the end of the day it's actually a very simple strategy that could have a very decent win rate if I took the freaking trades. Sometimes I wait too long and I miss the trades, and then I revenge trade and I take the bad setup, and then obviously it's a losing trade. That's where the mental thing is coming in. It's the discipline. Oh, hey Bo, how you doing? James, I was wondering where you were. Matador, thanks for the sub. Did I have a wonderful weekend? Yeah, it was chilled, which I guess counts as a good weekend. It always feels like it goes by too quickly, but in the same breath, I really enjoy my week, so yeah. Just feel like I get nothing done during the weeks, and then on the weekend, you know, you're so busy trying to get things. Anyway, sorry. Don't want to bore you. Bo, how you doing? How was your weekend? James, also, how was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? Ahmed, I am a futures trader. So it hasn't passed an all-time high mark. Sorry guys, I'm going down the list. Boom Banana, oh, it is coming down. Well, I'm sticking with my setup. If it's a loss, it's a loss, right? Just stick with the setup. Oh, interesting, Presidian. Okay, so this is a long, but it might come down to tag me out. We will see. Do you mean zoom out on the screen or go to a higher time frame? Because zoom out means two different things, I know that. James? So, Boom Banana, you might take a sell. Okay, let's see. Law, sorry, I didn't see you. Good morning. How are you doing? Apologies. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it has some momentum now going down. It is what it is. Duncan, I trade both. I trade the London and the New York sessions. Oh, thanks, Joan. Well, let's see if it goes back up, right? If it doesn't, then it is what it is. I stuck with my setup, so I can't be a grumpy goose about that. Oh, good. Nothing eventful. That's good. That's good, right? Rather have nothing eventful than too much drama or shenanigans going on. And yes, I said shenanigans, we're going with it. Around FXLYP, are you in South Africa? Yeah, I would say it got respected. Let's see, Joan. Let's see. Like we said, it's in it now. Let's see what it decides to do. I'm also trying to decide if I do break even or not, because on days, well, if it gets to that point, because on days when it's choppy like this, it might do some things. So I might just leave it, and either it's a swing or a miss, right? Duncan, I don't know if you... Oh, I think, yes, you did. I think you heard me. Yes, I trade both London and New York, so here we are. Oh, thanks for the subs, guys. Oh, I really appreciate it. That's exactly, no, I'm sticking to the plan. So, we're doing it. Oh, well done, Boom Banana. Whoop, whoop. How much was that? Another 1K, or did you put a few less contracts in? Thanks, Deadpool. Yeah. I know I'm not, well, say I'm not always someone's cup of tea. I think, yeah, you know, some people are either gonna like me or they're not, and it is what it is. I'm kind of in that mindset. Damn, James, what the heck? That is amazing. Whoop, whoop. I sound like a suffer. What's that? What does that mean? Also, hi Nox, how you doing? Yeah, but that's exactly. I'm not gonna be everyone's cup of tea. No one, you know, not everyone likes tea, so. Oh, yes I am. Thanks. Yes, Nox, I'm from South Africa. I am in South Africa. I'm assuming you are too? Yeah? Hello, fellow South African. How are you doing? Oh, James. No, and you're just too sweet to me. Thank you. Where was I 45 years ago? Not even a thought in my parents' world yet. Oh no. Maybe this is a little bit of a reversal. Boom Banana? Maybe you were correcto, sir. Well, it's like I said. I'm in it. I'm gonna keep it as it is. Win or lose. I didn't put as much on the line, so we're going with it. Nah, not always. Not always. Like you said, 85%. That's not always. I'm just saying. Don't come here with false advertising, okay? Nah, I'm just messing with you. Oh, guys. I'm young and I feel like I actually should be going around in a wheelchair eventually at this point because, oh my gosh, everything creaks. Don't ask me how. Do not ask me how this happened, but yesterday morning, luckily it's better now today. I don't know if I pulled a muscle. I have no idea. I felt like I pulled a muscle, hear me out, in my armpit. I didn't even know that was a thing I could do. But Day for Dean. Gosh, it's actually tough to find a prop firm for futures in South Africa. Yes, Tradeify. Tradeify works. There are also 2 other prop firms. Stay tuned with regards to that. If I guess your age, are we going on a date? Drink more water? Knock? Explain. Joan, you're 44. That's so cool. Boom Banana. Oh, I don't know. That made me look like I was like, I wanted to do anyways. Anyways, James, if I guess your age, are we going on a date? Go on then, try. Wait, do you not know how old I am? I think. Wait, you know how old I am, don't you? Oh. Top 1 futures. Interesting. I'm gonna have to go have a look at that. GTI Tactics? No, I'm trading futures. Thirsty dudes. Aw, thanks, No Mercy. That, yeah. Thanks for the sub. Steve, am I trading on a bank holiday? Yeah. Just a little scalp, just placing one in. Seeing if it's a good idea or not. We're about to find out. You really don't, but wait, did I say it before? I have said it before. I have said it before. How old do you think I am, James? Damn. Roy, hi. How are you doing? Oh, interesting. Oh, interesting. Day for Dean. You need a week. Okay. Nox, how the hell did you know that? I'm impressed. Well, I mean, theoretically, you are wrong. But also right. Hey LJ, how you doing? Yeah, I'm really impressed. Oh, well, I mean, part of me maybe thought you were, but thanks for clarifying. Which one are we talking about? James? Which what are we talking about? Which broker? Give me 2 seconds. My dog's asking to be let out. Jake, I'm from South Africa. I'll leave you with that for a second. There we go. Okay, I'm back. What did I miss? What did I miss? Oh, there we go. I'm back. I'm back. I ended with Jake. saying I'm from South Africa. Okay, well, we're gonna see. Knock, you think it's sell. Oh, you think so, Presidian? Okay. So, Presidian, you think it's gonna potentially go up. Knock, you think sell. James, yes, I'm in a long. Which, yeah. So, Davidine, it's a bit of a more simplistic strategy, if you will. Basically, market structure and a little bit of ICT and SMT concepts thrown into the mix, but basically range, top of the range, bottom of the range, 50% entry level, 30% of the 50% is the stop loss, and then 2R up is take profit. Sorry, that was like super compact way of going there. Oh, thanks, Knock. Oh, there we go. See, so samesies. But that's exactly money go bye-bye. I tend to work the less I complicate it for my little brain, because sometimes the brain cells have a malfunction. The less I complicate it, the better it is. That's also why, so generally when it gets to the 50%, I would go break even. I'm not doing it today because of the bank holiday and there is some chop. And it is, like I said, if it goes down for a loss, then it is what it is. I'm just kind of giving it a try because there was a decent push up. So I thought, yeah, let's see. And so it's probably going to be a long one, and I'm fine with that. Gives me time to chat to you guys. Why, Jake? Why a 0.2 stop loss? Is that what you asked, Thomas? Mostly just for the 2R. Yeah, so that I was trading 1-to-1, but then you really have to be really accurate. And just like that, Boom Banana, are you here? Is Boom Banana here? Boom Banana, are you watching? We got a win! Guys! Yay! Thanks, guys! Whoop whoop. Okay, let's see if the opportunity presents itself for another one. If it doesn't, it's fine because of how choppy it is today. Boom Banana! Okay, Boom Banana saw that. Nice, then we're winning. And there's the strategy. Proof it can work. Oh, James, man, you killed me. Wait, James, how old are you? Did we ask this? No, did you tell me? No, I can't remember. Damn, James, what? Thank you for View Trading, saying it's a lovely trade. I appreciate it. And congrats, baby trader. Yeah, listen, Jake Steele, I think it's part of the how to put it? Part of the mental stuff is having to now deal with, you don't want to cost the account, right? Or lose the account, or blow the account. However you want to say it. You don't want to mess it up, essentially, right? That's it. I am from South Africa. Pegasus. You want a bit of a trade breakdown? I can, sure. The daily candle will almost flip green. Will that confirm uptrend? Good question. I don't normally look at the daily. So what I tend to look at is the 15 minutes and the 1 hour. That's where I check. But guys that look at the daily, does that confirm an uptrend if the candle flips green? Or not really? So I don't want to lie to you and be like, yes. So I'm not going to be one of those people that just assumes to know everything, because I do not. I'm still learning. Oh, James, you're 45. Nice. No, I'm not. Well, I'm heading towards my 30s. Kisa, not that much. I think a little bit more than $300. I didn't go all out because of today's choppiness. Rather mitigated, you know, risk management, big thing. Mitigated risk by a little bit for in case. But yeah, because of the 2R win, I think it went up to 300 and something, which is good, which is great. I'm happy with that. Oh, that is so cool. What part of South Africa do you live in? Also, what made you want to move from Poland to South Africa? Damn. Damn, LP, that's crazy. Nox, did you do that? Is that what you did? You think so, Presidian? Why? What makes you, just out of curiosity, what's making you suspect that? Pegasus, I will show you now. Still wants to go up to 8.4. Right, Joan? Hasn't hit that yet. Oh, sorry. Sibusisu, yes. Sibusiso, I'm sorry. Yes, I stream London and New York. I stream both. Right? And when I just started, I think there was... I think LP was one of the only South Africans when I started the stream. There was really not a lot of South Africans at all. And now there's so many and it's so exciting. Oh, okay. Got it, Nox. See, good idea, bad idea. Good idea. It has not taken the liquidity yet, so... This is still an okay idea. We're going with it. Again, I did mitigate risk. Oh, nice. Nice. So, Seb, I was born and grew up in South Africa. But Daddy Dearest is Portuguese. That's cool. Oh, James, you are amazing. You are so freaking funny. Oh, interesting, Presidian. Thanks. So you think, or you are estimating that by end of this week it'll breach 24,000. What does that mean, Presidian? Oh, so I'm still baby trader, as Joan likes to call me. I'm baby trader. Also, speaking of Joan, are you still here? Haven't heard from you in a while. So I've only been trading since April. Dragon, have I been winning? Yes, I just won one now. So that was cool. I took this trade now, which maybe was a mistake. Let's see, it is sitting on VWAP on ES. But it hasn't taken the highs, which I wanted it to go. Oh, it's a Portuguese dish. Ooh, I'm gonna have to go look that up. There we go. Oh. Well, some contracts are out. Some more might come out now. Oh, I'm still in this somehow. Oh, interesting, Dave Houdin. So you started trading in August. Yeah, I've heard. I feel like either you are a Forex trader or you're not. And there's some people that swear only by that, and some people who it's just not for them. Right? Oh no, I'm in it, Nox. I'm in the trade. So some contracts were taken out there by a flipping tick. Let's see if it goes up or if it takes me out properly. Oh wow, 2008, that's awesome. So you have a lot of experience of the psychology and the fun of trading. Oh, interesting, Davidine. So I might get tagged out properly, I might not. We are waiting to see. Wow, there we go. You heard it here first, guys. That's amazing. Okay, wait, Dave Dean, before you changed over to futures, what were you trading? Exactly, Joan, where you been? I was like, it hasn't taken the TP, so I'm doing it. Yep. I don't want to butcher this. Is it David or David? Okay, well. No, you were right. Believe it or not, I do listen to you guys, and I do take notes. I know, you know, the fun/frustration of trading is that you can never 100% know what's going to happen. Oh, thank you. Oh, interesting, Davidine. Okay. And how long did you trade that for? Again, Presidian, you think so? Well, I mean, it did give me, it took some little contracts out there. What did I have? I have to double check what I entered with. So you can see the spread just took some contracts out, but some contracts are still in this, so cool. I never know what to. Oh, thanks for the sub, Mark. Thank you. 4 years, nice, okay. You enjoy the experience. Well, listen. The mental part of it is, I'm gonna say this, and you guys are gonna judge me, but I'm sticking with it, is redonkulous, okay? Yeah, 100%. So I try to not overtrade. Try being the keyword. David, yes, I am trading a prop account. I'm with Tradeify at the moment. Wow. Wait, what do you mean you didn't enjoy trading at all? I feel like that's a lie, James. Because if you didn't enjoy it, why would you still be trading, right? You have to enjoy it a little bit. Even if it's a little bit. Coming here with your lies. Honestly, James. Why are you lying to everyone? Ah, hey, Dream 33611. I'm just gonna call you Dream if that's fine. Okay, hi, where you been? How's it been going? A masochist, yes, basically. Presidian, that sounds about right. I mean, yeah, that sounds right. Ooh, okay, a little bit of resistance there. Let's see. Joan, are you watching? Yeah, no, you're right. It's fun, but yes. Oh, Mark. Rule number 1. The market has eyes and ears everywhere. Joan, my man. Thank you. Cool, guys. Okay, so not all my contracts made it. Some, I think like 3 got kicked out at the bottom. Just. That was very interesting. But we did it! Okay. Joan, you are the bestest. I'm in the process, James. Trust me, we're on it. I'm on it. We're gonna do this. I'm excited. Hi, Kikar? I hope I said that right. Hello, how you doing? What price is my TP and what price is my stop loss? Kisan? I guess it depends on the contracts. On a bit more of a booming day, my stop loss would be 200, which would make my TP 400. Yeah. So next time you enter at the devil with... Okay, Mark 1. Hear me out, right? You hate uncertainty and there's zero certainty in trading. Yes, 100%. But... then why are you trading? Thanks, guys. Yes. Oh, thanks, LP. If you guys wouldn't mind pressing that like button, that would be amazing and much appreciated. Thanks, guys. Also, whoop whoop. Sorry, I'm trying. Do you see? I'm trying the no emotions side of trading. Am I nailing it? Not really. I'm trying. Okay. Well, not no emotions, right? Because we have to have some emotions. I am still a human being. I'm not a robot. yet. Maybe one day, but not yet. Nox, 2 for 2 so far, yes. Wow, Deadwolf, look at you coming here with your sass. What's up, Nox? What's with the face? Joan, yeah? Thanks, Joan. Like I said, thank you. You helped a lot. Boom Banana. Thank you, C. See, Boom Banana, I just have to actually take the trades and not be a chop. It has now taken the target. Hasn't taken it there though, which means... I'm just waiting to see if there's a bit more of a bigger retest because of these, whatchamacallits, they're not equal highs, they're relatively equal highs. So I'm not gonna risk it just yet. Let me see if it carries on with the trend, if it has a bit more of a retracement, yeah. James, you are such a chop. Yes, I do, Presidian, 100%. Do you see, I put the trade in and then I literally just focus on what you guys are saying. That's how I cope. So this is all thanks to you guys. I'm just putting it out there. Also, thanks for the subs. Oh my gosh, you're... I know, Boom Banana, I know. Boom Banana, you're just right. I should just listen to you guys. Psychopathic trading, what, with no emotions? Yes. Maybe that's what I am. Yeah, no, that's why I'm not gonna go long after it took those relative equal highs. I'm gonna... Well, I mean, let's see, where are we at? What's time looking like? Okay. So we still have some time. Let's see. Still got a little bit of time to go. I'm gonna wait and see if it carries on with the upward trend, if it's gonna break now, what it's gonna decide. I mean, to leave it at 2 wins is also not a bad thing, right? Rather less trades that are good. That's English. That's Englishing, kind of. I'm doing okay. James, you're thinking about YT channel again? What, like you starting one? Kisan 6. Oh, which means I traded 9 contracts. Yeah, so 6 hit TP. Oh, interesting, Presidian. You think so? Well, let's see what's happening first. Let me see, because it did just take the goal high. The goal high? I guess you could call it that. That is exactly 4R for the morning, basically. Yeah, no, it is. It's 4R for the morning because both of these trades were 2R each, and they were really good, so I'm excited. Well, I guess if you take into account like the spread and things, but yeah, okay, let's say nearly 4R. Hey, apple butter. So the first thing that popped into my head with that is apple bottom jeans. Sorry. You need a share in the profit. 10 cents per person. Damn. Presidian, watch my volume. Okay. Okay, Nox, Deathwolf got you. I did not get the reference, I'm sorry. What is it from? Huh. Why did you give up, James? That's bad. Don't give up. Never give up. Formation on the second move. Okay. And then Presidian, I'm looking. Next over 518. You think so, Joan? Okay. Wait, it's 518. What? You think all the way up here? Damn. Oh, wait, I guess. Around here, where this liquidity is sitting. Oh, this was this flipping melt that happened on Friday, where I missed so many nice trades, but it's fine. I'm hopefully making up for it a little bit today. So out of curiosity, guys, out of curiosity, I don't think this would have hit. Yeah, didn't come back far enough. However, this might be a double top. Anyone's guess, right? Oh, thanks. Thanks, guys. Aw. Aw, thanks, Dafodine. Dafodine, you are awesome. I really appreciate that. I'm gonna have to do some amazing things for you guys soon. Hopefully, it'll be awesome. I'm excited. Apple butter, yes it is. James 681. What is that? What? Is that where you think it's headed, James? Like I said, I'm gonna take a little bit of a pause now because I think if I take it again, it's not the setup I've been wanting. Like, Presidian, you mentioned the volume. Yes, watch my volume. That's exactly, I'm watching now, this resistance after it's taken the relative equal highs, is showing that there might be a little bit of a meltdown. From me? No, I'm joking. I'm not having a meltdown yet. David, object 555. Okay. Ooh, okay, cool. Aw. Thanks for the subs, guys. You guys are amazing. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh, and another one. Oh my gosh, thanks, guys. Wow. This is awesome. Mad love for all of you guys. Like, really. You can ask anyone. Anyone. Never mind. I guess there's no one you can ask. You can trust me, I guess. I get so excited to come and trade every day. Not even just for the trading aspect, because obviously the trading aspect is awesome, but it's mostly because I actually get to chat to you guys and learn from you guys. So you wouldn't enter long at a level higher than my previous entry. Okay. Explain. Why not? Just because of a trend, or you think it's gonna... Yeah, I don't even actually want to assume. Explain, please, Presidian. Pravesh, hi, how you doing? Too far from the average. Thank you. Thank you. That helps. So, oh no, this is the vanilla. I like the vanilla. So I have vanilla coffee and... What's the other one? Oh, it's coconut. I had the coconut earlier this morning. Yes, this is my second cup of coffee. As you can hear, I'm starting to talk fast. It's fine. The coconut me, but this vanilla coffee is amazing. So, I don't know if you guys know Ilovo, the sugar brand. Yeah? Actually, don't know if you guys would get that. Whoa, hello. Hey, Slow Boy. I know, right? It's about time. How's it going? Presidian. I know, but I'm just sticking with my setup until I'm a little bit more bold. Or else, I mean, the entry could have been here and I could have gone all the way for... Let's say here? The 5, no, yeah. 535. Maybe even... Was it the 5? Yes, the 555. The Asia High, right? Yeah. I could have. But here's the but. Okay. I used to try and do that, and that's when mentally I was not... How do I put this? The discipline and mental state was not there. I was then just getting into trades without having a proper strategy, and then I was losing money like by the fistful, and it was not worth it. So for now, until I'm a little bit more sure of things, I guess you could say that, I'm just gonna stick with my little 2R strategy. And then maybe one day, let's say maybe the 23rd of the month. Yeah, let's say the 23rd of the month, or somewhere around there. I'll then have a day when I do that, where I go, okay, I think it's headed for, maybe I can ask you guys, do you think it's headed for the Asia High, or where do we think it's headed? And I can place a trade and just go for, I would say go for gold, but we're not trading gold. Anyways, but I can just go for that. Jet Wolf, yes, it is rocketing up. Properly, it's exciting. Right, Slow Boy, and I'm not doing break evens today, mostly because of the chop, but yes. The Richie man? Yes and no. So I do a little bit of things on the side, not hectically, but like I do some boot camps and some personal training here and there. But apart from that, yeah, basically full time. And I mean, basically, Fib, it's a GAN. Yeah, no, don't do that. Okay. David, yes. Yeah, like in the gym. And, oh, so I guess new guys, you wouldn't know this. I am very much a horse rider, so I specifically also try and help the horse riders. Deadwolf, I think you can. I don't want to lie to you, I've just never done that. I've never traded overnight, so I don't want to lie. Anyone using Tradeify know the answer to that? So what did I do before? So, I've done quite a bit, guys. So I've been working since I was 16 years old. I've been one of those people. Again, sorry if you guys have heard the story. You can just zone out for a second. So basically the main reason I started trading was because, as you can see, I'm a little bit nice. People can say I'm a little bit too nice, but it does mean that bosses take full advantage of my niceness. That was not proper English, but you know what I mean. So if they need something done, they'll ask me to do it. And I say, okay, cool, but I don't get paid like overtime. I just do it, and then they start to take advantage of it, and I'm too nice to bring things up, which I know is a bit of a pushover thing. But basically, it would be nice to have freedom from all that, because that's not fun. Thanks, David. Appreciate it. Thanos, how old am I now? Well, James, you're about to get your answer if you didn't figure it out already. I am turning 27. So I'm still a baby. But yes, basically since I was 16 years old, I have been working one job or another. Like I did waitressing. I worked at... I don't know if I'm allowed to say things on live. Actually, I can. I worked at Virgin Active for a little bit. Worked at Body 20, which was very cool. Yeah, just a lot of cool things that I've done. Presidian? How do you know this isn't my actual job? Rico, apologies. Hello, how you doing? Sibosisu, yes. For now. Presidian, you tried horse riding once and it didn't end well. Why? Yep, Boom Banana, it went for it today, which is really cool. I mean, it appears to have hit some resistance now. But... let's see. Ricky, how's it going? I'm assuming good trades this morning? Yeah? How were they? What's that? What's a devil in the mist trader? That sounds bad. Is that a bad thing? I've never heard that before. What does that mean? Oh, okay. Cool. Oh, nice! Thanks, Rick. Ricky. I called you Rick. I don't know. Sorry. Okay, cool. Why 20 minutes? Is something happening in 20 minutes? Presidian! That's amazing! That is amazing! So, yes, I will full and true... Yeah, I can fully believe that. Horses are really funny sometimes, but anyways. Yeah, and my horse is massive. I mean, you guys met him, kind of. You saw what he looked like. So when I'm on him, when I'm riding him... How do I explain this? I must try and think of how to explain. Basically, he's so big. I'm not saying I have long legs, but my legs are like this far up his tummy. So his tummy only ends here, and then obviously there's his legs still. So he's huge. Oh, that's interesting, Ricky. Okay. Right, Joan, thanks. Yeah, listen, So he's actually, fun fact, sorry, I know no one asked, but I'm telling you guys anyways. He's kind of a rescue? You can call him a rescue, so it's kind of a... I don't know, do you guys have SPCA over there? Actually don't know. Is SPCA a thing over on that side? But basically at a equine rescue center, I went and I found him and I adopted him. So that's how I got him. Oh, no. Presidian, no, I would not say I am that. No, no. No. SK, no, he's slow. I love him to bits, but he's not fast. So he was a racehorse, but he only did 2 races, but he's not fast. I'm definitely not a high-skilled expert at trading. I can promise you that. What I've managed now and what I've been managing is literally all thanks to you guys. Boom Banana, yes, I have one horse and, well, I work another one. Or I'm doing rehab on another one. Oh, I am short. Presidian, well, I think I'm short. I'm pretty short. I mean, you have a point, Presidian, but I mean, if you want proof, you could always go back to like my first live and see and go through there because it's a disaster. You can see the chaos from basically day one. Nox, do I do dressage? No. Show jumping is my thing. Well, I mean, I've done dressage as well. I've done event. I've done a little bit of everything, but show jumping is definitely my thing. I mean, that's valid. That's valid. I don't think I have long legs. I don't know. I feel like I have little stumpy legs, but I guess everyone has different opinions on that one. So I actually don't do any trading when I'm not live. Hey Cinnabug, how's it going? How's it going that side of the world? Trading's going really well today. Trading, I got 2 wins. I'm up 4R, which means I might leave it there for this morning. I'll be back for the New York. Well, let's see. What are we looking at for time? 10:48. I'm probably gonna stick around until 11 a.m. my time. So another 12 minutes or so. Let's see if another setup comes. I don't think so though. I mean, you never know, but I don't think so. I'm very happy with leaving it on 2 wins for today, in all honesty, and doing a little bit of forward testing and seeing if I could have maybe done another trade. Well, not today, for this morning. I'm back New York. Well, let's see what the New York session looks like. Okay, sorry, I just saw Apple Butter's message and cool. Cinnabug, what you trading today? Oh yeah, show jumping is awesome. So I've gone up to the 120s before. Yeah. And then, oh, you know, horses are quite difficult. Yeah. Hey, Mr. B, it's Labor Day in the States. Yeah, I know. So I am aware that New York session might not be great to be trading. So there is New York until 1 p.m. EST, which means 7 p.m. my time. So it is open for like half day. But will there be any good trades? Maybe not. Oh yeah, listen, horses are dangerous. There's absolutely no doubt about that. I can tell you that much for free. Every time I get on a horse, you are risking life. Anything can happen. So I know no one asked this, but I'm going to tell you guys anyways. Hello, Alma Curry. I apologize if I butchered that. I feel like I butchered that. Yeah, you're welcome, Mr. B. Yeah, so it's open until 1 p.m. EST, 7 p.m. South Africa time. But so, you know, fun fact for those of you that did not ask, I've had a horse fall on me. I mean, plenty times, but the one time was really bad. She, like, rolled over me. You know, things happen. But I love it. I can't stop. I've been riding since I was 3 years old. I would have started riding earlier, but my mother would not let me. It was really rude. Yeah, so literally every time you sit on a horse, something can happen. I just, yeah, you just enjoy the wealth, you know, the good things. Okay, bye, Cinnabug, what you, oh, you're trading, what? You're down on the gold? I thought gold was pumping. How are you down? Sorry, I only saw that now, Cinnabug. Yeah, I thought gold was going through the roof. Has it changed? Has it swapped around now? Oh, 100% Joan. Joan, how's the gold looking? Okay, wait, I'll be right back again. Sorry, I forgot you guys could not hear me. Okay, I'm back. Joan, a lot of respect for horses. Yes, listen. They are intimidating creatures, but I love them so much. So, unfortunately. Oh, interesting. I guess that's true, Presidian, thanks. No, that's a valid point. I think he's gone. I'll ask him. If he comes back, I'll ask him where his entry point was. Apple butter, what's that? Also, Daniel, thank you for the sub. Much appreciated. Do we have a break of structure? What's happening? Let's check the 5 minutes. Yep, not yet. We're still going up, 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 and away. Okay. Awesome. Apple butter, how did you know he was a Misfits fan? Or did you just know? Now I'm curious about the Misfits. I'm gonna have to go have a look and then I'm gonna discuss this later. No. Nuts. I can't tell if you joking or if you're being serious. Really? Interesting, dogs. Presidian. Yeah, no, I didn't want to. So, like I said, I didn't want to go long after it had taken these relative equal highs. I do still think it's going to climb up, but I think it might be looking to come and steal some liquidity down here first before it does. I could be very much mistaken, though. I'm not sure. Okay, apple butter. I didn't want to go and like be like, oh, wow. Or not, or be like, oh, you have to tell me my future. Has James left the conversation? James, you still there? Don't know where James has gone. Oh well, okay. And that's why I kind of decided, you know, it's taken what June and I were kind of looking for. What was it? It was the 484 level here. I did. I don't know why. James, I'm so sorry. James is going to want to divorce me before we've even married. Ah, damn. But anyways, I make jokes. Yeah, that's why I kind of said I'm very happy with for our Green Day. Hey, Diamante, how you doing? Knox? No? What's happened? R.I.P. James. Yeah, Diamante, they are. Also, how are you doing? How was your weekend? Why are you only popping on now? What happened? Why are you so late? I guess it's very early for you. Never mind. Why are you awake? Maybe I should be asking you that question instead. Hey, Diamante. Oh, wait, pause. Nox, why are you saying no? What happened? What are you upset about? Yeah, Diamante, I was about to say, never mind. I was being judgy for absolutely no reason. The fact that you are awake right now is pretty impressive. Oh, I know. I'm so I don't know where he went. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know where James went. James! I'm so sorry. Fun fact, I can make myself, well, let me not say make myself cry, but if I wanted to, I could start fake crying. Do you think that'll get him back? James, come back. Maybe I should have been an actress. Oh no. Oh, nice, Diamante. You beat your alarm. Interesting. Flip. You guys are funny. Make it short just for James. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I think that'll be brilliant. James, I'm so sorry. Sorry that we messed with things. I wasn't paying him enough attention. That's on me, guys. That's my bad. That's on me. Flip. If he comes back now, he's gonna be like, what did I miss? What did I miss? Aw. So I was looking at this, but again, a little bit risque after, I mean, the volume going down isn't great though. Oh, well, it's too late. Nice to know that I was thinking about the big one though, and that it would have been decent to do. See? Forward testing is never a bad thing if you are happy with the amount of wins that you have had for the day, right? Apple butter, yeah, no, like I said, I am done for this morning. I am done for this morning. I'm being good. Here's the discipline coming in. Not taking unnecessary risky trades, especially if I'm up, right? It would make no sense. It would just be stupid. We are not here to be stupid. We are here to make smart trades. Well, we're trying anyways. That's what we're trying. Yeah, exactly. Ooh, check now at the volume. What the heck happened? Did some big buyers wake up? Is that it? Did everyone wake up at 5 a.m.? Did their alarms go off and they're like, okay, it's time to start? Actually, that kind of makes sense. In a way. I could be completely wrong though, but what do you guys think? Hey Mike. In what way? And is that a compliment or not? Well, Presidian, let's see, let's forward test it, but I'm not gonna actually put a trade in. Ooh, tables, are you? Yes, they are, Thanos. Yes. There's the vertical and the normal horizontal. Charles, that one, so some people believe it's gonna go up to at least 555 to take the Asia high, which is, I mean, it's definitely a possibility. Presidian predicts, he thinks it might reach the 24,000 level. Yeah, right, Presidian, by the end of the week. Yeah, thanks, Diamanto. Oh, interesting, Presidian, thanks. Okay, I'm gonna give it two more months. Maybe I need to call it there. I'm gonna give it 2 more minutes. number one, for the brain cells to wake up, apparently, damn. But 2 more minutes, see if it retests and goes up, right, for the forward testing, and then I do have to go work my horses. I would sit here and stay longer, but one, it is good for the brain to breathe between London and New York opens, and 2, well, theoretically, Deadwolf, if we go with Presidians, I owe everyone 10 cents for a trade. I will be screwed, so no. But yes, so like I said, 1 more minute, last minute, then I'm gonna go give my brain a breather, go visit my horses, and then I will be back here for New York. It's a short week. Do you mean a short day? Or what do you mean it's a short week? How is it a short week? Purely because of today? So my boy is a thoroughbred. He is massive. He's huge. He's not a racehorse. Well, he was a racehorse. He's not a racehorse anymore. He's living his best fat life right now. What's up, Mike? I'm gonna start saying that. They'll be like, whoa, pause. I'm gonna be like, whoa, hold your horses, guys. I'm gonna, sorry, Mike, I'm stealing that. Okay, but I'm calling it there for this morning. I keep saying today, it's not today. I'm calling it there for this morning, guys, because I am back tomorrow. Oh, sorry, Kendra, I'm about to leave. But hopefully I'll see you New York Open, yeah? I'm gonna be here New York Open. Hopefully I'll see you guys there. I'm excited. I'm gonna give James talking to, so you guys must come back for that, because James, where did he go? Right? Okay, I'm messing with you guys. Oh, Mike, you have a Clydesdale. That's amazing. Listen, mine is as big. His bum is probably as big as a flipping Clydesdale's. But thanks, Apple Butter. Okay, let me go. I love you guys madly. See you for the New York Open, hopefully. And yeah, see you guys later. Love you lots. Bye.